Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to configure the network on Linux. To view the current network configurations, run the following command in the terminal. It will display the output for each network interface in a separate section. You can also run the ifconfig command to see the IP address. We will use ifconfig to assign an IP address to our network interface. Here is the command syntax. The default gateway is the address used to communicate with the external network. To configure the default gateway, use the following command syntax. Once done, you can test your configuration by running the ifconfig command as follows. DNS servers resolve domain names to IP addresses so that browsers can load internet resources. To configure the DNS name server address, use the following command syntax. Or in the following example, I will set the Google DNS IP address as my name server address to 8.8.8.8. First, run the following command in the terminal to edit the network interface file. Then change the address, gateway, and network mask. Please note these lines must begin with a leading space. Now press Ctrl O and then Ctrl X to save and exit the file. To add DNS server information, we will need to edit the following file. I will add here two DNS servers. One is Google's DNS server address and the other is my router's IP address. Now press Ctrl O and then Ctrl X to save and exit the file. Just like an IP address, a unique hostname is also used to identify a system on the network. To find your system's current hostname, run the following command in terminal. To change the system hostname, you can run the following command. Here I am changing my hostname from GreenCloud to GreenCloud VPS. But when you reboot your system, your original hostname will be restored. To permanently change the hostname, you will need to edit the hostname file. This file contains only the hostname. Change the old name to the name you want. Then press Ctrl O and Ctrl X to save and exit.